Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk drive belt used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Before carrying out this operation, we recommend watching our video 5 Things to Know when changing a drive belt. This helps explain the key role that this part plays. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. For safety reasons, we recommend unplugging the battery. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, unscrew the terminal from the negative terminal. In order to change the drive belt on your vehicle, you're going to have to lift the front and remove the passenger side wheel to have complete access. Unscrew the wheel nuts, lift the front of the car and place it on the stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You can then remove the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. You then have to remove the front right mudguard to access the accessory belt. Using the Torx T27 screwdriver, remove the screw located under the bumper. Remove the holding clips on the mudguard using a fork. You can now take off the mudguard. You can now see the drive belt. The drive belt moves the alternator, which charges the battery. Yet, it also operates the power steering, the air conditioning compressor, and sometimes the water pump. Using a 60mm ring wrench or Allen wrench, loosen the drive belt by lifting the tensioner pulley. At the same time, remove the belt.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
When you're changing your drive belt, you also have to replace the tensioner pulley. Using a socket wrench and a 14mm socket, unscrew the holding screws on the tensioner pulley. Remove the pulley. You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Get the new pulley and put it back in its place. Rescrew it in using the socket wrench from the first operations. Finish off the tightening with a Torx wrench. Take the new drive belt. Be careful with the direction in which you assemble it. The letters on the drive belt must move in a clockwise direction. Slide the new drive belt into and around the different elements, respecting the layout from the initial assembly. To fully put it back in place, lift the tensioner pulley in order to pass the drive belt into all the pulleys. Then release the tensioner pulley to fully extend the belt. Before starting your car again, check that the belt is properly positioned in all the pulleys. You can now put the mudguard back on. Reconnect the battery. You can then put the vehicle wheel back in place and lower your car to the ground, not forgetting to fully fix the wheel in place. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.